How far my people? How una dey? Wetin dey sup? Yeah, today na another gist I bring come for una, but na wetin we fit learn from. Today we go talk about hype analysis. Wetin be this hype analysis? But before we talk about hype analysis, make we talk about all the analysis wey we get, wey me I know. I no come know if e still remain. The analysis wey me I know na technical analysis, fundamental analysis. These two analysis na im dey popular and na im dey common pass wey everybody know. But this one wey we dey call hype analysis, wetin be this hype analysis? Hype analysis na the way wey be say if you don dey hear about project from the big boys for industry, wey be say dem dey talk about project, and that project e dey blow up. For example, make we talk about Dogecoin. See when Dogecoin wan blow up, you say Elon Musk talk about am, then everybody start to dey talk about am. Na this kind thing we dey call hype analysis. See the time of Shiba too, when people start to dey talk about am, mean say na that time e blow up. All these things na example of hype analysis. But shey this hype analysis good or e no good? One, hype analysis good because if you don dey hear hype of project, e mean say that project either make people just don dey take profit, shey you understand, or make people just wan dey aping, or maybe na better project people wan enter am. But this hype analysis e dey risky. Even though say e dey simple, e still dey risky. The money wey you go put for this kind project wey be say dem dey hype, shey you understand, because one, you no go need do too much of research, but at the same time you go do your own research. Na why we dey always do, na why we dey always talk say do your own research and not financial advice. Shey you understand? Na you decide to put your money because you sef wan join wetin dey trend, wetin dey go on. Shey you understand? So I believe say you don understand wetin hype analysis mean. If you wan understand wetin fundamental and technical analysis mean, if you no know about am before, you fit click the link on our bio, join our community. We go teach you everything for there. Shey you understand? So no forget to repost, share the video, make others sef learn from us. Thank you.